Hi friends, welcome to Sai Kids Ravi Takis Bhubaneswar digital learning classes. So friends, today we will learn how to make the song. Okay. So before that, you need to practice the important lessons today. That you have to know first three fret of the total fretboard. First three fret names of each and every notes. So we can start from down to up. First fret to last fret, sixth fret. So these three fret will easily shows you how to sing or how to make music or how to play the music also, or you can say play the songs also. So very careful to know all the notes name of these three frets. Okay. So here, if I already told you the name of the string is E, open E. So we have to know today the first fret, second fret and third fret. So the first fret will be definitely after E. So after E, the note name is F, because E has no sharp. So after E, F sharp, G. Okay, before that I will tell you, when you play in guitar, like the name of the strings are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Likewise, your finger name is also there. So the left finger is counting as the finger names, because we are playing all the fretboards with the left finger. Similarly, the people who are left-handed, their right hand will be the finger name. Like somebody can play like this, the guitar, and play in the right hand. So for them, the right hand is the finger names. Okay. So now, normally people are playing in the left hands like this, as I am playing, because we have very few people who are left-handed. So the right hand people will always play in the left hand. So this is your finger position of the left hand. Always this is the finger 0. We are not playing in the thumb. So we are playing in the first finger is your first one, this one. So you have just ignore this finger. Now there are 4 fingers. So 4 fingers, the name is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if I will tell what is the first finger, you have to recognize this was the first finger. Similarly, this is the second finger, third finger and fourth finger, or we can say it as a pinky in guitar. So pinky finger. Okay. So there are 4 fingers. So when you play the guitar, there are 3 frets. Okay. I am telling you there are 3 frets we have to learn today. So always remember the first fret will pressed by the first finger. It is universal. And second finger will be on the second fret. Third finger will be on the third fret. Likewise, you have to play. Okay. So keep practice these things. It is very important. Don't put the finger here with the first fret with this finger. This is wrong. So the second finger is always putting in the second fret. So this is very important to note, to know the basics of guitar. Okay, I already told you the guitar things and all that. I forgot to tell you what is this I am playing with the guitar. This is called as your guitar pick, or it is a plectrum. So it is used to play all the strings actually. So when I am playing, you have to buy this also along with the guitar. So they will give you also in free. So you can play like this. You have to put like this. See? Now you have to play. You know, it should be also, you have to carefully handle like this always, the pick. So handling it the wrong way, it will be difficult to play the guitar. Okay, so always you put the pick here and play the guitar. So now coming to the 3 fret exercise. So we called it as a finger exercise. Okay. Now simultaneously we will play and remind the note names. So it is E open, F, F sharp, G. Second, B open, it's the second note, second string, B open, B, C, C sharp, D. A open, A sharp, it is G note, G, G sharp, A sharp. Third note is, the fourth one is D. D will be played D open, D sharp, E, F. Is the A string open always? Already we know that. A sharp, B, C, E, F, F sharp, G. So you have to remember all the notes now. So if I'll ask you play C 2 times and D 2 times. So C and D are falling on second string, right? So you have to play, because I told you 2 times. So okay. So if I'll tell you play E and G 1 time each. So E is open here and G is closed here. So when I always play E, you have to remember you have to play the lower E, or it's the first string of the E. Don't play the upper string of E, because in the song we don't use normally the upper E. Okay. If I'll come to the upper string, play B and C. So this is A string, yes sir. So it is B and C. So B and C are just near to each other. So this is upper B and C. If I'll tell lower B and C, then you can play. So see, the sound of upper B and C is very similar. Lower E, lower portion is also very similar, but changes in the tone. But the same scale, the tone is changed. So okay, same B and C in the lower version. Okay. So this you remember. Next class we will do the scales. So in scales there are 2 types of scales we have. One is your major scale and one is minor scale. So please remember all the 3 fretboards. I will ask you in the next class randomly to each and every note how you are remembering. It will be easy to make the scales. So we will do the scale next class, and also we will start the songs, how to play in the guitar. Exciting?